Welcome back to Crypto Lodge Live. Let me just make sure this is working correctly. Hope everyone's making money out there, or at least holding steady. And here we go. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge Live. And I fixed the problem where it kept going on and off, so we're good to go. I have been looking into NEAR and Aurora. I find it quite interesting. This thumbnail should look dope. Yep, it does. Cool. Let me pull out chat. Drag it over to the other side of the screen. And there we go. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge Live. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing with its bull market support band. Throw it on the weekly. Pop on the proper there we go. So there's a weekly Bitcoin. As you can see throughout history, if it holds this line, things are good. If it doesn't, things are bad. And this is actually inversed with the colors. The red should be here, and the green should be here. So we got a golden cross here. Green's back, back in bull mode if we can make it. Holler in the chat if you're here, please. Hit thumbs up. It's good to be back. I've been on vacation for a while, spending a lot of time with family. Let's take a look at what we got over here. I've been looking at Aurora. And it is well below its own 20 week. It does honor it. Failed to hold it, got rejected by it here, came through it, held it here, got a nice bounce, fell right through it. I'd say Aurora is extremely undervalued. If you agree with that, agree in the chat. Let's look at ApeCoin, because I've been preaching ApeCoin in the secret chat, in the members section, and in some of the public videos. If you want to see the videos I don't post, join. It's worth it. Let's go to not the daily, but the 4 hour on ApeCoin. And I don't buy coins as soon as they launch, because they tend to dump. And it convinced me around here, and from here all the way to here, it didn't matter what price. I just kept buying. And of course it's gonna come back down right now. It just had a nice big pump. But ApeCoin's one of the first I think it's going to be, it could become the largest community coin. And it could become the first community coin, quote unquote, that has awesome use cases. It's the first community coin, quote unquote, that has a fixed supply and good tokenomics. So, and they're notorious for airdrops. So I'm sticking with Ape coin. I don't hold it on exchanges. Hold it in MetaMask, so that you qualify for the airdrops. You know, because we could be collecting valuable airdrops from ApeCoin in the near future or late future, just by holding it. It could 10x. Let's look at Luna. Luna's drop. It was just dropping. That's because it put in a nice week. It's over its own 20-week bull market support band. Bounced right off it. That's nice. Let's check out the 4-hour. Yeah, got a nice dump going on there. Nice little buy opportunity. Big long red candle. And things are looking pretty good. I don't know what to say. Hey, what up, Jack Dog? Anyone else is here? Please say something in the chat so I know I'm not by myself. What up, Jack Dog? All my bullishness on ApeCoin paid off so far. Luna got this drop. That's a big ass red candle. And let's take a look at Phantom here. Yeah, they're all getting that red. That's quite a downtrend there, but we're on the 4-hour. Let's go to the daily. So I can't wait until we break out of this. You know, this is how Phantom goes. Look at that. It went straight up from 0.01 cent to 88 cents in a matter of 8 days, 9 days. It's amazing. Anyway, back down. Let me just use this. Shoom, 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 shoom. Take us to that $10 level, Phantom. Jack Dog said, I think one more dip in the market before we move higher. I agree. You know, like I drew here. I see Phantom maybe dipping back under $1, everything going back down, scaring everybody. You gotta shake out the market. Shake out weak hands. Cheaper coins for the true believers. And it's gains. Gains, 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 gains. You know, people don't know how to. This looks just like Phantom. A Harmony one. When I like to buy one whenever I buy Phantom. It's the same chart. Looks exactly the same. It's got a lot of the same fundamentals. When Phantom pumps, Harmony one pumps. Harmony one is responsible for DeFi kingdoms. It's a great blockchain. Let's take a look at DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama. Takama. All right, which blockchain won the month in TBL. That would be Conflux with the TBL of 66 million. Keep in mind, Ethereum is 115 billion. Luna comes in at number 2 with 29.57 billion. Phantom is number 6. When the TBL wars happened, when Andre launched Solid, Phantom actually went, it flipped Solana, it flipped Avalanche, and then it flipped BSC. And it was sitting as number 3 for about a week straight. That was awesome. But what you really want to focus on this site is you want to come over all the way to the right and notice that 0 in front of the number here. None of its peers have a 0 except Waves, but that's 0.9. It's almost 1. This is 0.5. This number means that the market cap of the project, the market cap of Phantom, is way lower than its peers around it in total value locked. So it means it has a high, it's number 6 in total value locked, but like number 45 in market cap, which means Phantom sitting at what, $1.10 right now? $1.10 right now? $1.10 right now? Phantom's gonna be a $10, maybe in the future $20 plus coin. Really, it doesn't make sense that people don't see the writing on the wall. So this is an important metric here. If you go to ones like this, Phantom is number 3. Actually number 2, because this one doesn't count. It doesn't have a real number. So the best is Fusion and then Phantom. Moon River, bullish. Be bullish on Moon River, in my opinion. Luna. And then the most overvalued ones are things like BSC and Ethereum. Watch. Let's see. There's Polkadot. See what's most overvalued. Where they have a number for it. BTT. So the market cap does not match the TBL at all. Kusama, Polkadot, VeChain, GoChain, Kadena, Zilliqa. Where's BSC at? Right there. So it's number 36 in having a good TBL. It means that the market cap is unjustifiably high. Ideally, all these should be sitting at 1, like 1.5 at the most. Anyway, any time of day. Look at this. Makes you want to just scoop up that Luna dip. That's quite the candle. AVAX was popping up when I checked. I've been waiting for it so I could swap it over to Phantom and APE and USDC. Got too much AVAX. I've been waiting for it to go up. Join the Crypto Lodge OG members to see my many multi-$1,000 portfolio. I show you in the members videos. I show you it. I don't hide it at all. We just dig right into it, and I show you guys the portfolios. Anyway, AVAX. Okay, what? I was on the 30-minute. Ooh, it was coming back up. Now it's dipping too. All right. So I'm gonna do nothing. I'm gonna let the market do its thing. We'll just take a look at some things. And it's 6 p.m. EST. Maybe it'll pump later tonight. Maybe it'll pump overnight. Who knows? Maybe it'll dip real far. And I'll spend the USDC in my members only portfolio. And yeah, I make all these myself because I'm cool like that. So I guess that's about it. Bitcoin needs to just... It looks like it's being rejected at the... I need to get the right one up on screen. It looks like it's getting rejected at... I need to find the right chart. Ooh, look at that Bitcoin dip too. Just like, okay, so it's dictating the market. Damn. That went from, holy shit. That just went from 43K to 40K. In 7 hours and 30 minutes. That's pretty dope. Good dip buy on everything. It was doing so well. But everything was doing so great. We still up on the day? Probably not. That probably set us under. We were up all day earlier though. Cool. We're still on an uptrend. This is dictating the market. Boom, boom, boom. And anyone thinking right now you're cutting straight through the lines, that's how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to put the line at the end of the candles, not the wicks. The skinnier lines are called the wicks. Anyway, I'll never have advertisements. I'll never have sponsors. I like to get straight to the point. I never lie. I never delete my videos, even when I'm wrong. Help me out by joining as an OG member, and help yourself out by gaining access to all sorts of perks that you can't even wrap your head around right now. I'm going to head out. I'm glad my live stream is working again. Jack Dog, thanks for stopping back. Anyone else watching later, thank you for watching. Crypto Lodge out.